These are instructions for installing PuTTY SSH client for use at the workshop. First, you'll need to download it. So open a web browser and come to the workshop homepage. Scroll down to the Access the Workshop Computing Cluster. And from there, scroll down to the PuTTY section. And you will find a link to the PuTTY website. You can also use a search engine. Search for PuTTY SSH. And this first link isn't the one you want. You want the one to this one here. However you get to the PuTTY homepage, scroll down. You probably want this 64-bit installer. You just get whatever the most current version is. Click to download that. Save it. It shouldn't take very long to download. It's pretty small. Then you can go to your downloads. Double click on it to install it. And you can just hit next, next, and install. When you are done, you can come into your start menu and you should have a PuTTY item. Select that, click down to PuTTY, and it will ask you what host name you want to connect to. You tell it workshop.colorado.edu. You can save that as a session if you'd like. Say workshop, save. Then click open to connect. The first time you connect, it will come up and ask you to accept the server's fingerprint. You can look at that document if you want to verify it. Otherwise, click yes. Then you will enter your username. Mine happens to be student for these purposes. Then your password. And you are logged in. You now have a terminal on the workshop. It's often convenient to have more than one window, in which case you can right-click on the title bar, select Duplicate Session, and log in again. You now have two different windows. You don't have to worry if they show that you're connected to different cluster nodes. You'll see the exact same files in each of them. To exit, type exit. And then the next time you want to connect, come down, open PuTTY again, PuTTY. Now it should have this workshop entry saved for you. And just double click on it. And you're right back in.